Binabantayan ni Joel Liu. Roy Sumang off the glass and in. Jeremy Cabanag, binalik na rin ni Coach Alex Angeles. Here's Palencia. Great reverse. Galing kay Irvin Palencia. Ako? Baka yung kasama ko dito kaya. Pero ako, ewan ko.
Wala na akong sinabi. Pero ito si Cabanag. Ang daming sinabi doon sa layup na yun. Ano sinabi nun?
Roy Sumang right there.
Ito, loose ball. Hinanap ng bola. Ito si Cabanag. Right place at the right time. Libreng-libre for the left-handed layup.
Pag ganun kasi, kung ganun kalibre, boy with a rebound. Ay Roy Sumang ang bola. Weavers, nice pass inside. The Tonton bring us with a finish.
Now what a beautiful recovery by Roy Sumang as he was curling off the screen, receiving the basketball. Yan, nawala yung bola sa kanya but was able to gather it enough and use the left hand for the drop pass. Bring us with the finish.
The play continues. Inigo. Nice pass to Matias.
Beautiful pass and push of the ball by Achi Inigo to Ronnie Matias. And that was a birthday pass for his son, Aki Inigo.
The fast break of the game brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. And itong Caloocan caught Abra sleeping defensively. And it's an 8-point advantage. Amang din talaga sa cohesion and chemistry itong Caloocan. And Joel Liu has 6 points in the contest.
Shirts inside the paint, just unable to complete the stop is Abra. And Liu,
he will get continuation. And Joel Liu, 8 points in the ball game. Lagay kay Sanga.
what a pass.
Inside, Matias. No go. Another opportunity. Wala pa rin. And look at Ronnie Matias. Relentless. What a night for Ronnie Matias. 14 points. Got Chavez in the air. Ilabas muna kay Liu. Sanga. Well, challenge, and Paul Sanga knocks down the three.
Forces a timeout for Coach Jonathan Banal. That move by Paul Sanga, if I'm not mistaken, that's his third try of the night. The first two he did not make in the left corner. And this is just a tough shot.
3-point shot brought to you by Extreme. One-stop shop appliances. Clint Escamis had to jump twice to challenge that shot.
Ito si Wendell 9 years ago, mas gumaling lang pero mahihiyain pa rin sa Delphin Coach Christian.
Maraming salamat, but that's a big block. Sydney. Comboy. The shot is good. 1-point game. 15 for Wendell Comboy. Palencia, the kick out to Liu. The extra pass to Sanga. Nice fake, no good. Rebound, nakuha ni Palencia to Gabby Espinas. 46-39.
So palitan ng buzzer beater. We saw in the second quarter that 4-0 run, the quick steal by Abra to end the second. Pinawi naman ng Caloocan, care of ito, offensive rebound and assist at the same time by Palencia to Espinas.
Valoria trying to shake him off. That's a miss, an air ball on the other end. Isit forcing that turnover, and it's Ochea with a pass onto Jong Valoria. Hindi ko na masabi na kung sino yung magiging mas mag-execute down the wire, ang most likely will get the W in this game. Pero with both teams right now, kasi before sa ganito, alam mo yung Batangas kasi yung familiarity nila pero again, Rizal, you cannot take away na they've been playing well also as a team. Kaya though Rainier Viloria, Alday is playing as good as individual, pero more on team effort pa rin eh. Nice play. That's an alley-oop. 10 to 12 footers yung jumpers na nako-convert ni Pasible. And that's big already para sa offense nitong Rizal. Aposible is now 3 out of 5 from the field. Apinan almost lost it. 7 on the shot clock. Jexter, the cross down the middle. There's a foul. Basket and one.
That is balance and concentration. He know nababanggay siya.
He's a veteran himself here in the MPBL. Once selected as a part of the mythical team, the first team. And then last year, he was a part of the second team. He was a runner-up in Defensive Player of the Year.
Balik ng kumpiyansa nila. We know these guys are really capable.
That's a good steal. King Importante all the way for 2.
Again, you make a mistake, you'll pay para sa sarili mo.
Now there's a steal by Alwin Alday. Can that get him going? Cross-court pass. Viloria, nice fake. There's the layup. What a start for Rizal. Alday, no good. Batangas on the run. Levy Hernandez, he's gonna fly. Was that a charge? No, it's basket and one. Viloria wants that charge. But it seems like Coach Ralph will not challenge. Let's see the replay. You be the judge, Coach Louie.
Merong konti alam ko. Pero sa akin, sana ninokol na lang para at least even na lang.
Oh, okay.
Knowing yung ugali nito ni Jerry, di ba, na hindi naman madalas
Right.
Di ba?
Oh, nice bounce pass onto the cutting Jong Baloria, who's now in double figures. On the other end, it's good that Rizal is picking up on their three-point shooting. They're now 7 out of 27 from downtown. That's 4 more threes than Batangas. Levy will drive. Hernandez misfires.
That's
a
a
foul. Basket and one for King Importante.
Alam mo yun, ito yung mga bonus na pag meron kang player na katulad ni King Importante na anytime mo insert, importante ibibigay sa'yo.
There you go. He's just at the right place at the right time. Staying true to his role. RJ Ramirez. In and out dribble. He attacks. RJ hangs. Wow, what a bucket for RJ Ramirez.
It's just better offense but good defense already by JK Cansino.
See our play of the game. Brought to you by Buenas. RJ Ramirez dancing with JK Cansino, bumping his way through and then scoring 2 points.
Yung level ng difficulty ng finish na yun. Display kasi all scouting report, mababasa natin na they, again, both teams came in prepared.
Here's Jexter Apinan.
Yeah, veteran 5 right now playing.
Nice pass.
Good move.
Oh, what a recovery by Jeric Serrano.
Hindi pwede.
Ang klaseng defense ang napapanood natin sa larong ito. It's just helping each other out.
Yep.
Coach Cholo and Coach Ralph should be proud. Together for the longest time. They all share the same pain of not winning a championship. They're always up there, pero laging kulang. So the question is, aabot pa sa punto na sabihin na lang nila na hindi na talaga gagana to. But that move will work for Cedric Ablaza. It's a 2+1 opportunity. This beautiful move by Cedric Ablaza, triggering our lucky fans of the game. Brought to you by Buenas, who are also enjoying their fiesta. 7 dimes to his name, 9 points and 5 rebounds.
Josan Nimes. Bayan providing the pick. Bounce pass.
Good pass.
And libre si Abdul Sawat.
Alam mo yun, trabahuin mo na nila Sawat on attacking J-Mo.
Watch this Buenas play of the game. Abdul Sawat finishing. Good play from Nimes and Tibayan. Minute remaining in the first quarter. Rayson, umatake. Rayson with a dipsy-do.
Now when he has that basketball and decided to score.
Ito na yung hinihintay na yung Pampanga Na, you know, they want to get rolling. Really.
And alam naman natin na darating sa Delph.
Tough finish galing kay Tibayan. 16-point lead for the Giant Lanterns. Great pass to MJ Garcia. Alcoriza got the step. Baltasar trying to throw it down. That would have been pretty.
Oo.
Nakuha ni Raymond Benuya. Benuya. Dire-diretso si Raymond Benuya.
This
Crowd loving it.
Oh, that guy is just so fast. You love him as you're gonna love this guy as a teammate.
Man, steal by Benuya.
Ooh, what a pass!
Nice pass to Gosum for the 2 points.
And this guy off the bench, itong si Martin Gosum.
Raymond Benuya spinning and finding Martin Gosum for the 2 points. Triggering this fast break of the game, brought to you by New Star Max. Win to the max. Sa loob ngayon, kalaban si Mike Are. Are goes to Jonas Tibayan, puts the ball on the deck. Baltasar says no.
Not in my house.
2.5 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Jonas Tibayan thought he had beaten Chemo Igilo.
Alam mo, yung side ni Jason,
Oh, what a move! Galing kay Josa Nimes. He has that in his bag. Josa Nimes, the former Mapua Cardinal.
Players sa NCAA before that plays multiple posts. Ayan talaga si Josan. Talaga multiple Sedel because he can play all that 5 spots.
Josa Nimes with a ball fake and a reverse.
Oh, baby, that one. Rebound to JV.
I think that was more of a tired shot.
JC Marcelino, there you go. Just like Migs Gomez likes to put it, the chemistry that's been set at the womb. The Marcelino twins. Here they are once again. 9 on the shot clock. Publico with the screen. JC with the left on the other side. JC Marcelino secures it for Manila. Hanapi will go hard against Cannon and he finishes the 2 points. Him throughout last season, and we definitely are looking forward to more of that this year. This is the fast break of the game brought to you by New Star Max. Win to the max. Didat Hanapi scoring on his first basket of this game. Donkeys like us. Avelona, 2-man game up top with Rabao Husseini. Avelona blocked by LJ Gonzalez. No, 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 Mr. Avelona.
Sa'yo, tinutulungan kang tumayo. It's a good sportsmanship gesture. I'm not sure everybody will understand what I mean. We are all tied.
Oh, point guard excellence, Renzo Navarro. 10 assists already in this game. DJ Mitchell will go all the way for 2. 62-60. Manila now in the lead. What a turn of events it has been for the Batang Sampaloc in the past few sequences. Check out this dime by Renzo Navarro, getting his 10th assist in this game to Rabah Al-Husseini, and then playing both sides of the floor. DJ Mitchell, defense to offense, stretching and scoring. That puts Manila in the lead, 62-60.